Hello everyone, I am Miss Sonam, an early years educator, and today I am here to help you understand about animals and their home. So let's begin. We live in our home. हम अपने घर में रहते हैं. ऐसे ही animals also live in their home. Animals भी अपने अपने घर में रहते हैं. चलिए देखते हैं animals के home को हम क्या बोलते हैं.
Let's start with horse. Horse lives in a stable. Lion lives in a den. Like lion, bear and tiger also lives in their respective dens. Elephant, zebra and giraffe lives in the forest. Bamboo forest is the home for panda. Monkey lives in the tree. Deer lives in the grassland. The home of cow is called shed. Dog lives in the kennel. And hen lives in the coop. The home of sheep is called pen. Pigs live in the Pig-Sty. There are different names for goat house like pen, locker or brothel. Rabbit lives in burrow. Squirrels build their nest in the tree which is called dray. Rat lives in a hole. Bee lives in a beehive. Ant hill is the home for ants. Spider lives in the web. And most of the birds build nest as their home. And the nest of eagle is called eyrie. Water is also the home for many animals like fish. Fish lives in water. Crocodile also lives in the water. They make their home on muddy river bank. Frog also lives on water, specifically in the pond. Turtle lives in the sea and ducks also lives in the water.
That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.